Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Sellador Al Vacio is probably one of the most underrated kitchen gadgets out there, but trust me, once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. This amazing device helps you preserve food for much longer, saving you money and reducing waste. Whether you're a meal prepper, a leftovers enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates fresh food, this is a game changer. Number 5. Wevac Vacuum Sealer Bags 11 by 50 Rolls 2-pack. These Wevac bags are heavy-duty, designed to prevent punctures. The embossed channels increase suction, keeping your food fresh without freezer burn or dehydration. With these bags, you can extend your food's shelf life by 3 to 6 times. They lock in freshness, flavor, and nutrition, ensuring your food stays delicious longer. These bags work with all suction vac heat sealers, like Food Saver and Seal a Meal. You can easily create custom-sized vacuum bags in seconds, perfect for any food item. They are BPA-free, making them perfect for various uses. Use them for food storage, freeze-dried meals, sous vide cooking, gardening, or even storing documents and electronics. Wevac stands behind their products. They offer a no-questions-asked return policy, ensuring your satisfaction without any hassle. What we like? This product is designed with heavy-duty materials, making it perfect for long-term storage. It significantly extends the shelf life of your food, keeping it fresh for longer. If you are looking for a reliable solution for bulk food storage and meal prepping, you should consider this. What people say. Haven't had any issues with leakage yet. Good size rolls and very easy to use. The last 2 to 3 feet does have some wrinkles, but nothing crazy. It still managed to get a good seal. They were great. They did the job and they were exactly as they were described. Would definitely buy it again. Used for packing meat killed on farm that have been using this brand for some years. Number 4. Electric Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer Kit. This kit comes with seals for both wide and regular mouth mason jars. It's easy to switch between them. Just follow the simple instructions to get the right fit for your needs. The kit includes the electric vacuum sealer, wide and regular mouth sealers, lids, and a user guide. It has everything you need to start vacuum sealing your food right away. Simply center the sealer on the jar lid and press the button. It will automatically remove the air. After about 40 seconds, the sealing process is complete. Forget manual pumps and complicated setups. This electric pump makes vacuum sealing effortless. Just one press of a button does the work for you. Need to seal on the go? This compact sealer is perfect for travel and picnics. It's a convenient way to keep your food fresh wherever you are. What we like? This electric vacuum sealer is incredibly easy to use with its one-button operation. It is also portable, making it convenient for travel or picnics. If you are looking for a simple and portable way to preserve food in mason jars, you should consider this. What people say. It creates a powerful, airtight seal every single time, keeping my lemonades and other prepared goods fresh for so much longer than standard lids. It fits perfectly over large mouth and regular mason jars with the removable adapter. Was able to store leftover rotisserie chicken in mason jar in the frig, and even after 10 days it's still good. Makes a huge difference in how long my fruits stay fresh, and I can pre-make salad for the week, and store and seal, and even after 5 days all of the ingredients are still as fresh as the day I prepared them. Number 3. MegaWise Vacuum Sealer Machine. This vacuum sealer boasts 80 kPa suction power, ensuring an airtight seal. It keeps food fresh up to 5 times longer, preventing freezer burn and reducing waste. The sealer comes with vacuum bags and an external vacuum system. It's perfect for meal prep and bulk storage, helping you save both time and money. It features a built-in sliding cutter for custom bag sizes. Its compact design makes it easy to store, fitting seamlessly into any kitchen. Enjoy one-touch automatic sealing in seconds. Choose between dry and moist modes for different food types, making preservation quick and easy. Your satisfaction is the priority. The dedicated team is ready to help with any questions, ensuring a positive experience with the product. What we like? With its powerful 80 kPa suction, this product ensures an airtight seal, keeping your food fresh for longer. It also includes a built-in cutter for custom bag sizes. If you like a versatile and efficient sealing machine for various food types, you should consider this. What people say. The suction is strong, so it removes air well and helps prevent freezer burn. I like the one-touch automatic feature. It seals bags quickly and easily, which makes meal prep and storage so much simpler. The included cutter is handy for making custom-sized bags, and the dry and moist modes work well depending on the type of food. Number 2. Anova Vacuum Sealer, slim, compact, and efficient. Vacuum sealing is the best way to ensure no air enters your bag during sous vide cooking. This helps your food stay fully submerged while cooking, and seals in maximum flavor. It also allows you to freeze and store food for later, making meal prep a breeze. Sous vide cooking is perfect for almost any food. Chicken, fish, vegetables, eggs, beef, lamb, and pork are all ideal candidates. This locks in flavor and moisture during the cooking process, resulting in unmatched texture and taste. The Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer is the perfect companion for your Anova Precision Cooker. It makes it easy to achieve restaurant-quality cooking results at home with just the push of a button. It's reliable, compact, and simple to use. Simply put your food into an Anova Vacuum Sealer bag, season as desired, insert the open end of the bag into the sealer, and press a button. It also includes separate air pulse and seal functions for your convenience. Designed in San Francisco, Anova delivers thousands of sous vide recipes for free in the Anova app. With millions of units sold, people love cooking with it. Try it yourself and find out why with our money-back guarantee. What we like. This product is designed to be compact and easy to use, making it a great addition to any kitchen. It comes with pre-cut bags, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a simple and reliable vacuum sealer for sous vide cooking, you should consider this. What people say. Works well, very basic. I use it not only for freezing foods, but I use the pulse feature on foods that I store in the fridge for longer life. It does not feature a lot of fancy buttons or options, but it does its job with exceptional quality. Vacuum is great and seal is even better. I love the lock design because it is especially tight and makes a fantastic seal, even with some moisture coming through. It is also noteworthy to mention that this is a very slim and compact design. It could fit in a drawer, which my last 3 have not. I seal fish with this, and after a long Alaska trip, I sealed several hundred bags in a single session without any issues. Number 1. NutriChef Vacuum Sealer, Food Preservation System. This is the ideal solution for cooking and meal prep. It makes everything easier, more economical, and faster. You can organize your freezer with fresh food ready to serve. It's fully automatic with a simple plug-in design. The control center and LED indicator lights are on the top panel. It's a smart device for your family. This vacuum sealing system has 2 modes for optimal food preservation. Choose dry mode for solid foods and moist mode for cooked items. It's designed to keep your food fresh. Lab tests show it preserves food up to 5 times longer than other methods. This sealer was specifically tested to extend food shelf life. It's a reliable choice. The package includes the vacuum sealer, an air suction hose, and bags. It comes with 5 medium vacuum bags and a long vacuum bag roll. It's a complete bundle for your cooking needs. What we like. This product features an automatic sealing system, making it incredibly easy to use. It offers 2 sealing modes, catering to different food types. If you are looking for a complete solution with a starter kit, you should consider this. What people say. The vacuum sealer just showed up today, and let me tell you, this is the Tesla of sealers. Sleek black with a nice brushed stainless piece in the center, sexy. Tried the sealer with some of the quart bags that came with the sealer, and all the bags sealed perfectly. The unit is much quieter than the last one I had. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.